If you talk to lawyers, they call it extraordinary rendition, but for a family member like me, that's kidnapping.
Yeah.
That's forcibly taking my father to another country and illegally arresting him. So that's clearly kidnapping. Because I told him a lot of people are crying. They are depressed, hurt, stressed about what happened and what is happening right now and what is happening in the country. And then he said, sabihin mo sa kanila, relax lang, may hangganan ang lahat. So I'm remembering this from kasi I cannot take notes, I cannot take a ball pen and pen this. So sabihin mo sa kanila, relax lang, may hangganan ng lahat. There will be a day of reckoning for all.
VP, mahal na lang.
How long was I gonna be? Oh, yes. Unang-una, nagpapasalamat ako sa lahat ng ating mga kababayan. We met in the visiting area, visitors area, and the demeanor was, he looked well-rested. I asked him that. I said, you look well-rested. And then he said that, well, I don't do anything here except sleep and watch TV because he has access to a TV. And then I asked him about the food because I know his preferences for food. And then he said, yes, well, that's my only complaint is that I really, really miss Filipino food.